Hi, this is the OPPO Find N2 Flip, and I'll show you how to switch on and switch off screen touches and screen recording on this device. So first open the settings application and then scroll down to additional settings. Then click the screen recording and to scroll down to this show screen touches switcher. Thus, if you wanna use the screen touches to your screen recordings, you should use this switcher to turn it on or to turn it off. Also, we get one more way how we can do that. Just first open the control panel and find here screen recording icon. Hold for a while this icon, and after that you'll see all of the screen recording settings which we can change. So thank you guys for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave thumbs ups and to subscribe our channel.